Here's the top 4 cryptos most likely to 100x in 2023. But disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. So number 1 is goldfinch.finance, all right? Real yields from real companies, really. Guys, stop worrying about crypto money games, all right? Start lending your USDC to real businesses worldwide. You can have a 7.8% senior pool USDC APY. There's a loan value of $101 million plus 30-day protocol value of $100,000 in revenue. Now, if you want to explore the Goldfinch deals, all right, they come from real-world lending and investments of centralized off-chain, which makes them distinctly different from the high volatile DeFi lending. Guys, there's loads here, right? Go through them, find your APY, find your base USDC and your GFI rewards APY that you're comfortable with and getting involved soon as possible. But that's number 1, guys. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is Enzyme. Enzyme.finance is the website, all right? It's an on-chain asset management. You can deposit and you can control all of your currencies in here, all right? Enzyme actually enables you to retain custody of all your assets. It's got full transparency, allowing the strategies and performing together with information about how they're set up, all right? If you want to get on the building side to this, it empowers you to build and scale vaults based on the investment strategies of your choice. Huge value here. You can scale it completely, and it's got loads of DeFi integrations, including I have Compound, Convex, Maple, Idle, Uniswap. Okay, everybody's talking about Enzyme right now, guys. If you want to get involved on this, please do your own research. That's number 2. Let's move on to the 3rd crypto that I think could 100x right now. Here we go. It's Pendle Finance. Okay, so Pendle is fantastic as well. It's a platform where you can discover all your assets at a discount. All right, it's got Ethereum, USDT, and Ape just showing on the front cover. All right, where you can just buy them now instantly with a discount of over 5%, over 8% for Ape. Okay, Pendle actually splits the yield from yield-bearing assets, giving you better prices than those on any other exchanges. You can control your yield here and take full control of your crypto assets. Okay, there's wide range of supported assets, including so many as over 350 million volume traded, and it's cross-chain compatible. The core technology here is yield tokenization, Pendle AMM, and the Pendle token. Okay, so Pendle for stake and protocol is the token that I think could absolutely 100x in 2023. Let's see what the last token is. Last but by no means least, it's DopeX. Okay, dopex.io is the website's decentralized options exchange, a maximum liquidity and minimal exposure options protocol. Launch the app straight away and have a look and see why I'm so excited. Okay, Vanilla is the SSOV option. You can provide option liquidity via covered calls and cash secured puts while passively earning diverse sources of yields. You have the options of liquidity pools. You have the structured Atlantic option, so a novel DeFi primitive that aims to improve collateral compatibility and efficiency by enabling buyers to borrow, option, and collateral. Guys, it's DeFi first and powerful options, all right? They built a protocol with vast improvements over the existing options market. So you can stake here, right? You can borrow collateral. You can use the price efficiency, minimize your complete risk of your portfolio with RDPX rebates. There's so many investors getting involved in this, like D-Base, big ones like that, DCV that you should know of. All right, jumping on board with this. Guys, this is a fantastic project and a fantastic token. I do see this maybe hitting higher than the other 3 of this video, but it could definitely 100x this year if it goes the right way. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.